2 high-powered rifles and 139 rounds of ammunition were seized during a pre-dawn operation in Hanover.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Hanover police today seized 2 high-powered rifles and a pistol among a massive assortment of ammunition, for which they have arrested 3 persons. With a commitment to creating safer communities and roadways, the Hanover police have heightened their operational activities throughout the parish, resulting in the seizure of 2 high-powered rifles and a pistol, along with 139 assorted rounds of ammunition on Sunday, the 15th of December. Among the illegal weapons and ammunition seized were 1 M16 rifle, 1 AK-47 rifle, 1 single-action Browning pistol, 1 M16 magazine, 3 AK-47 magazine, 4 9mm magazines, one of which is extended, 1 Uzi submachine gun magazine, 59 7.62 rounds of ammunition, 69 5.56 rounds of ammunition, 20 9mm rounds of ammunition, and 1.45 round of ammunition. A release from the Corporate Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force said the massive ammunition and weapons find resulted from a pre-dawn operation carried out by a team from the Hanover Police in the Dry Hill district, where a house was searched. 3 persons, including a female, were taken into custody in relation to the seizure. However, their identities are being withheld pending further investigations. Divisional Commander Superintendent Sharon Beeput said the operation forms part of the operational strategy to ensure the safety and security of residents and visitors alike, with several events scheduled to take place throughout the parish during the Yuletide season. This latest seizure brings the tally of firearms and ammunition seized in the month of December to 18 firearms and 526 assorted rounds of ammunition.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.